to our channel. Today is Monday and I got to have the day off today because we're taking one of our twins to a doctor's appointment.
Get his hernia checked out.
We just thought we would vlog that and kind of keep you guys updated on what's going on with us. So we're going down to the car and I'll see you later.
After these messages.
Daddy. Mommy.
Sit down. William, sit down.
This is my seat.
William, sit down. He's there. It's too bad. Sit down.
Brandon always there, ain't he?
No, he's always on this side. As you can see, there's an issue with where people are going to sit. William, big brother, scoot over.
Scoot over. That's why he flew to the front. This is set up where he sit in the center. He like, my seat ain't set up like this.
He don't,
when he shot to the front.
Braden wasn't sitting there.
Where was he sitting?
He was sitting on the end.
Yeah, the end is right here.
Yeah, it is kind of in the center.
Yeah.
And I got my juice. What's up?
So we are off to this doctor's appointment. I'll check back with y'all because he don't have an address. So we are just sitting in the waiting room. Looks like the kiddos made a friend. Come here, Josiah. So basically what we're here for is that little thing right there. We're going to see about getting him scheduled to get it taken care of. So, it's probably going to be a little bit of a wait, so see you in the room.
Mama.
Yeah.
You get to edit this in.
And what is the reason for your visit today?
He has a hernia
Where's your hernia, baby?
on his navel.
Belly button? Yeah?
He was born.
Yeah, he was born with it.
And this is your temporary passport to the online portal.
Daddy,
Oh.
No allergies to medications. Not currently taking any
Daddy,
medicine.
can I have your phone?
And,
No.
Is that his pediatrician?
Yes.
Oh. How do you say that?
I have no idea.
Okay. I'm not alone. Alright, the doctor will be right in with you guys. No ultrasounds, right?
No.
Alright.
Shouldn't need one.
Okay. He'll be right in.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
You're welcome.
So, he just got his vitals done, and we are now waiting for the doctor. She asked about a ultrasound. Hopefully he won't need one, but we'll see. And hopefully they can schedule today the surgery because I'm ready for this roller coaster to be over. Just came out of Josiah's appointment, and unfortunately the doctor was not willing to let us record the conversation and the process of what is going to actually go on and what's going to happen with his surgery. We got it scheduled though. Hopefully we'll have a more willing and cooperative doctor that will allow us to talk with them on camera. But yeah, it was a good visit. We got everything figured out for actually both Braden and Josiah. Unfortunately, we are going to have to come back though for Braden. I'm just going to schedule different days for their surgeries because I don't want to have to wait for too long for
Hey, get back here.
Josiah to have his. But we will keep you guys updated on his aftermath of all of that, and hopefully we can get a little bit of footage, some kind of footage of the day of his surgery. But yeah, so see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.
No. This is...
Get me!
Are you eating two suckers at once?
called double fisting.
Because you're a weirdo. Quit playing with the elevator.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Is it good?
I'm going down.
All right. Get them smiling.